Imagine looking up at the night sky. Stars, planets, satellites. For centuries, it was a place of wonder. Now, it's a new frontier for defense. The United States Space Force was created to protect American interests in space. Their mission isn't about sci-fi battles, but about safeguarding the vital technology orbiting our world. Our lives depend on satellites, GPS, weather, communications, all rely on these silent partners. But satellites are vulnerable. A stray piece of debris or a hostile act could cause chaos on Earth. Enter the orbital drone, robotic spacecraft controlled from the ground, acting as the Space Force's eyes, ears, and hands in orbit. These drones can move, observe, and interact with objects in space, helping manage the crowded highways above us. Think of them as lifeguards and coast guards for our satellites. They're not traditional weapons, but tools for awareness, maintenance, and defense. Their job: keep space safe and usable for everyone. As we send more technology into orbit, these guardians become essential. The mission is to preserve peace in this high frontier, a place that connects humanity in ways we often overlook. The Space Force's orbital drones are the new sentinels, ensuring our cosmic neighborhood remains secure. They represent a leap in our ability to protect what matters most in space. In this new era, defense means stewardship, keeping the space above us safe for all. The future of security is written in the stars. So, what is an orbital drone? Think of it as a smart, maneuverable satellite. Unlike regular satellites, drones have engines. They can change orbits, approach objects, or avoid threats. Packed with advanced cameras and sensors, they inspect satellites, spot damage, and see in multiple wavelengths. Operators on Earth control them, sending commands and receiving real-time data. This human-in-the-loop system ensures every move is deliberate and safe. Orbital drones are our remote-controlled inspectors, able to travel anywhere in space without risking human life. Built to survive harsh conditions, they run on solar power and can operate for years. They're not just tools, they're extensions of our presence in space. Communication is constant, secure, and vital for their missions. These machines give us eyes and hands in the vastness above. They can adapt to new tasks, from surveillance to repairs. Orbital drones embody our ingenuity, making space operations safer and smarter. They're the ultimate guardians in the silent expanse. Orbital drones have a range of crucial jobs. Their main role: space domain awareness, patrolling orbits, tracking satellites and debris, and mapping the space environment. They act as watchdogs, preventing surprises and protecting vital assets. Drones can inspect satellites for damage, act as bodyguards, and document suspicious encounters. Their presence alone can deter aggression. Some are designed to help clean up space debris, using robotic arms or nets to remove dangerous junk. They're like cosmic garbage trucks, making space safer for everyone. In rare cases, drones may intervene to neutralize threats, using non-destructive methods to disable hostile satellites. The goal: protect without creating more debris. These drones are the first line of defense, ensuring our space infrastructure stays secure. They keep the cosmic environment stable and safe for future missions. In short, they're the silent guardians of our digital world. Why invest in orbital drones? Because space is now essential for power and security. Satellites drive communication, navigation, and defense. Losing them would cripple any nation. Drones protect these assets, giving countries a strategic edge. With maneuverable drones, the chessboard of space becomes dynamic. Nations can defend, respond, and deter threats. Their presence changes the game, making adversaries think twice before acting. Drones offer rapid response. They can inspect malfunctioning satellites up close, diagnosing problems in hours, not weeks. This speed is a massive advantage. The main goal isn't an arms race, but stability, ensuring no one can dominate or deny access to space. Drones help enforce international norms, keeping the cosmic commons peaceful. They're tools for balance, not just defense. By monitoring and protecting, they help set the rules for responsible behavior in space. The future of space security depends on these robotic enforcers. Looking ahead, Orbital drones will transform space defense. We're moving from passive satellites to active management and protection. Drones make our space infrastructure more resilient, safeguarding everything from GPS to financial networks. They'll also pave the way for human exploration, scouting, inspecting, and guarding future missions to the Moon and Mars. As drones evolve, they'll gain more autonomy, reacting instantly to threats like debris, but human oversight will always guide critical decisions. These guardians mark our shift from visitors to caretakers of space. They're not just defenders, they're stewards, cleaning up and protecting the resources we all rely on. The future of defense is about ensuring peace and opportunity from above. With orbital drones, we're writing a safer tomorrow in the stars.